Hello everyone, my name is Laksh. Today I'll teach you how to make chapati. So first check where is the center of the chapati and press there and roll it slowly. Then you can see the thickness it's still thick. So we need to make it thin, but not very thin. We need to give light bit of shape so that you will get the correct shape. See, slowly you have to go. Then now we can start in the middle. Some side. Now you got little bit of shape of the chapati, and now you can give some more shape so that you can feel like circle. Now I'll keep some powder. Now the chapati is ready. See there. See, the chapati is getting ready. So tasty. Bye.